We're learning Zili Nishmas, Etta, Ahuva, Bava Kama, Perek Aleph, Mishna Aleph, Arba Avos Nezikin. There are 4 Avos Nezikin. Avos because there are tildes, so each one of the Avos has tildes. Hashar, the first one is Shar, which is a machlekes in the Gemara. Rav says Shar is inclusive of Keren, Regel, and Shein, and Shmuel says that it is only Regel. What's Shar? What's Keren, Regel, and Shein? So Keren is, the tchuna of Keren is kavanasa lahazik, so when a Shar is mechaven lahazik, that's b'chal Keren. Regel is a zeikoy matzoi, so something that happens like as it's going and is b'chal regel. And shein is hano le'azeikoy, something that has hano to damage, that's all b'chal shein. And Shmuel says shar in the Mishnah is only referring to regel. Bar, someone digs a bar in Shus Ravim, we'll learn more about it later in the Masechta. Mava is again a machlekes Rav and Shmuel. Rav says Mava is Adam. And Shmuel says, who said that Shar is only referring to Regel, he says Mava is only Shein. Karen is going to be at the end of Mishnah Beis. Hahever, the fourth mazik is Eish. So the Mishnah says, Le'arei Ashar, Karei Mava, Le'arei Mava, Karei Ashar. You can't learn out one from the other, depending on what it is. The Gemara goes through the tchunas, that you can't learn out one from the other. One has more of a chumrah of the chumrah than the other one. And fakir dasav. You can't learn out eish from mava or shar because eish doesn't have ruach chayim. You can't learn out bar from everything else in the Mishnah because bar is ein darka leichel hazik. The maskanas hagemara is that if it said bar in one of the other avis, you'd be able to learn out everything else except for Karen. And the reason why we needed to say all the avis is because they're chalukim b'helchesei and they have different halachas. Shein v'regel is pater b'shus harabim, bar is pater on adam v'kelim, and eish is pater on tamid. Hatzar hashava shebehen shedarkan lahazik u'shmiratz and alecha. The derech is that they damage and you have to watch them. Ukshehizek, and when they damage, chava ma'azik l'shalim tashlumei nezek v'meitav aretz. The mazik has to pay meitav. Rashi explains that if he's coming to pay karka, then he has to pay meitav, and the Rav fears ice. But if he's paying metaltal, and the maskanas hagamara is kol mili meitavu. Anything of metaltal is considered meitav, because if you can't sell it here, you'll sell it at someplace else. Mishnah base kol shechavti b'shmirasei hechsharti as niskai. Anything that I am chayiv to watch, so then it's as if I'm being mazmin, preparing the hezek. So the Gemara says, for example, if you give a shard over to cher sheita v'katan to watch, and they damage, so then you're chayiv because you're the one that's supposed to be watching it. If you only were prepared part of the hezek, you could be chayiv in all of it. The Gemara says the example is someone digs a bar 9 in Rishus Harabim, and someone else is mashlim the 10th one, so the acharin is going to be chayiv for sure in Misa, and Nizakin is a machlekes Tanaim. Now the Mishnah lists over 6 halachas. Nechasim shein ben be'ila. You're only chayiv on the chasim shein ben be'ila. It's 2 pshatim in the Gemara. If ein ben be'ila means, but it is kaddish, and it's referring to kachim kam alib der b'yesi aglili, that you'll be chayiv in Nizakin because it's considered mam and ba'ilim. Or in the chasim shein ben be'ila means ein behem dim be'ila, dainu dafke hedje. But by hegdish, you're going to be pater, because it says shariyeh of alor shar shel hegdish. The second halacha is nechasim shel bnei bris lafuke. If you're mazik nechasim of a guy, you're pater. The third halacha is nechasim hamiyuchadim. So Gemara says 3 pshatim. Either it's lafuke zayim esharche hizik v'zayim esharche hizik, or it's lafuke if hefker is mazik someone else and someone's kadam v'zacha and gets that shar of hefker, he's going to be pater. And the third pshat in the Gemara is it's lafuke if you were nogach v'achar kach higdish or nogach v'achar kach hifker, that you're going to be pater. But miyucha means that it's owned by someone as opposed to hefker in the second 2 pshatim. The fourth halacha is a b'chol makom chutz merishus hamiyuchedes lamazik, that if the hezek happens in the rishus of the mazik, you're pater, because the mazik could say, the Gemara explains, tarcha b'rishus my boy, why is your shard going in my possession, my property? The fifth halacha is rishus hanizik v'amazik, that if it's rishus for both of them, then you'll be chayiv. In the machlekes in the Gemara, where the shein b'regel is also chayiv over there, machlekes amaram, because the halacha of shein b'regel is that you're only chayiv rishus hanizik. The 6th halacha, final halacha of this mission sounds like the same as the end of the first mission, that you have to pay Meitav, and like Shmuel, this is coming to include Karen, because we said, according to Shmuel, Shor in the Mishnah was Regel, Maveh was Shein, and Karen will be learned from this halacha.